turning off HTTPS scanning in Avast's Web Shield to help speed up your internet browsing. This is not something I recommend, but there is a slowdown of your internet speed when HTTPS scanning is turned on. And as is explained here, there's a good reason for it. High-speed connections greater than 20 megabits may see noticeable delays under certain conditions while Web Shield is enabled. For example, if a hard drive has an I/O speed of 30 megabits, the Web Shield can decrease the loading speed of a web page because the hard drive I/O operations are doubled during active scans. In this case, the internet input of 20 megabits combined with 20 megabits of web scanner data output then exceed the maximum hard drive ability and can lead to noticeable delays. If you are more interested in speed than you are in protection while using HTTPS, there is a way to turn off HTTPS scanning in the Web Shield. Let me show you how that's done. Start by opening up the Avast user interface. Once it's open, select Menu. When this opens, select Settings. Next, select Core Shields. And when this opens, scroll down until you see Configure Shield Settings. And from here, we want to select Web Shield. Once this is open, you need to uncheck the box that says Enable HTTPS Scanning. Once this is unchecked, this will increase the speed when you do your browsing on the internet. Realize by doing this, you do lessen the amount of protection, because if it's an HTTPS site, that information will not be intercepted and will not be checked to see whether it contains something malicious. However, this will speed up your browsing. It's your computer, it's your choice. I personally will put up with a little bit of delay and keep my protection intact. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.